Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So this week we should have at some point the preview updates, which will have some of the new features, which will show up for most people on July 14th. So the next Patch Tuesday for Windows will be July the 14th, and it is promised to have quite a few new features like we had in the past update, quite a few new features added also. Some of them very, very interesting. The first that we'll look at is pause updates. You will now have a calendar and you can choose the date where you want to resume updates. And this will be indefinitely if you want. You can just go back and choose you go 2 weeks later. If you choose at the end of the month, you can go close to the end of the month and go choose again another end of the next month, and so on. And you'll be able to pause updates, not just for a few weeks, but pretty much indefinitely. It's a semi good idea because I think some people will try not to update and might actually make their Windows a big problem for security. But at least now you've got choices, and that will be apparently appearing with Patch Tuesday in July. So that's one big thing. The other thing, and this one is one that's really nice, is that finally the point-in-time restore will now exist on all PCs apparently on July 14th. What's point in time? So if you're using the restoration feature of Windows and you restore at going back in time, you restore at another date when something happens, point in time is way better. It is a boosted restore system, and it will work faster and much better than the system restore that was sometimes a problem. Sometimes it couldn't restore to a previous point and so on. It will be fully customizable of the frequencies of when it actually records an image that it will use for point in time. It also will be easy to set, what's the limit of disk space that you allow point in time restore to use. And it will immediately, when something goes wrong, if your PC doesn't start up, when you go to the booting options, to the troubleshoot page in the troubleshooting options of the startup of Windows, it will be there, point in time restore, so that you can go back if something happened, say a bad update. You can go point in time restore, ask it to go back in time, and then pause the update with the indefinite update that you can have. So these are nice features that are going to happen. Microsoft also says that Bluetooth reliability will be increased. If you use Bluetooth, it's one of the points where a lot of people, and I've seen it here in comments, are a little, they kind of complain about Bluetooth not always working well, not always pairing with your favorite earbuds or phone or whatever. Microsoft says July 14th, an update will make this much better, and it should work better. So that's nice. And finally, there will be an option for screen tint. This is an option where, we have the option if we want to put night mode on the system where the colors change, so remove the blue of the screen. But that one is you can choose what color the screen turns if you want to change it into a different tint on your PC. So that's going to be another option coming. So that's what Microsoft says is coming on July 14th, Patch Tuesday, along with the security updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.